Hello, hello, hello. We are going to do a super quick lip look that is going to make, if you're more mature like me and you have thinning lips, this is going to help you so much. And I'm so excited to bring this trick to you. I was goofing around the other day and kind of was like, oh, wait a minute, this works. Okay, so I'm going to take a darker lip liner and let me put a little bit of should have already had this on, my lip conditioner on. So if you're more mature and when you try to put a lip liner on, it doesn't move well, you need to go in and get you some of our lip conditioner. It's like $12.90, packed with vitamin E. You'll absolutely love it. Y'all, I didn't put my mascara on in the other video. And I know you want to see these lips, and I promise you it's worth the wait. But hang on. I need to do a little mascara. I know, you're here for the lips, but just hang on. Now I promise you it's going to be worth it. But I can't even look at myself without any mascara on like that. I love our Zen mascara for just a really natural lash look. You know, and I know a lot of people love to really make those lashes shine, and I love a good false lash, but I can't stand to wear them. Okay, now I feel better about everything. Okay, here we go. All right, so we're going to, I'm gonna start here. And I'm on my natural lip line there. Now I'm using our lip liners, and then I'm using a matte lipstick from our line. I put it on one day and put on some lip gloss, and I noticed that it moved a little. So to keep it from moving, you want to do this. Okay, then I'm going to take my lips and go, like I'm pulling that top lip in. I'm going right above, not high, not like anybody would even notice, just right above the top lip line. And then I'm gonna bring that back into the lip line. It matches my natural lip line, okay? And my lips are like everything else. I don't want to get too much because you're going to see I'm fixing to wow you. Okay, then I'm going to take my bottom lip and do kind of the same thing. Watch this. Okay, I'm on my natural lip line. And I'm going to say you want to use a color of lip liner that's not too far from, like this is darker than my natural lip, but it's not too far out of my color range. You know what I'm saying? Like if I were using an orange, because I'm so pink undertone, it wouldn't look right. Okay, now, where sometimes we shadow under our lips, I'm going to draw under there. Watch this. Did you just see my lip line grow? And I'm telling you, if you were looking at me in person, you would not know, because your bottom lip is actually normally bigger than your upper lip. And we've spent years trying to make our upper lip look bigger instead of our bottom lip. Now the upper lip is bigger because I just overdrew my lips just on top of that lip line. Now I'm gonna put some color on this. This is our 25 in the matte. And you can find our matte lipsticks on my website at makeupwithmarty.com. If you want them, or you can use any matte lipstick you have. Or any lipstick you have as far as that goes, okay. We're gonna get the latch right here, because if you don't get the latch, you gotta open your mouth and you got something that has nothing on it. That doesn't look good. Doesn't look good, girls. Okay. Shut your mouths, look at that. All right, now, here we go. This is our 01 concealer stick. Concealer stick, you heard me right. I put it in the center of my lips. And that little bit of color, lightness, gives you the perfect ombre lip. Hello, girls. I didn't get under the needle. I didn't have any fillers, but look at those lips. Yes, girls. Okay, I hope this has helped you. I think you will absolutely love this trick. Just remember to overdraw that bottom lip a little and to overdraw the upper lip a little. The upper lip less than the bottom lip. Just to come out, just, you know, get on your big girl panties and just come out a little bit more. You're going to love this trick. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, hope you enjoy. If you enjoy, please like and subscribe to this channel and share it if you think your friends would enjoy some of my makeup tips and tricks. And, you know, turn on notifications so you can see all my goodies. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.